I'm really shocked. Now, as you all know, gutters, maintaining gutters and ensuring that the gutters are clean is the responsibility of the panchayat. Right now, Zuarinagar is in Sangal Panchayat. Okay? And now, I would like to question the panchayat. Can't they see the condition of this gutter? How can this go on? Okay? Because it is the responsibility of the sarpanch to see that this work is done. Mr. Girish Pillai, he was the sarpanch for 3 years and more. Did he ever try to do something for the people? Gutters are the responsibility, maintaining the gutters is the responsibility of the panchayat. Today he is moving around seeking votes. How can he seek votes from the people who have suffered this dirt for 3 years? That's the problem. Panchayat does not fulfill its responsibilities, and he has nothing to show that he has done as a sarpanch. And now I'm told that he's lying to the people, stating that the works done by me are works done by him. And I would like to mention a few works that are here. For example, the sewage treatment plant that we have done in this area, further away, that has been done by us. He's telling the people that he has done it. Anyway, he's lying like a little boy, like a little child. And what can we say? But I think this, आमचे मॅनिफेस्टोन घेतले हे काम पयले सुवातेर हे नितळ करूंक जाय. I believe that every human being has the right to have a decent life and a healthy environment. This is not the environment for people to live in. Definitely this need of cleaning this gutter and covering this gutter will be in my manifesto.